And the Police and Prison Civil Rights Union Popcru has said its police members fear for their lives because station commanders flout COVID-19 health regulations. So thousands of SAPS members and Correctional Services officials have contracted the virus. Richard Mamabolo, Popcru National spokesperson, joins me now to chat a bit about this. Richard, thanks indeed for your time this evening. So do we know exactly how many police officers have tested positive for COVID-19? Let's start there.
Yes, with the current outcomes, we know that there have been over 11,000 members within the SAPS who have been infected, and you've got over 100 deaths so far. So this is quite worrying, not only for the SAPS alone, but we also have numerous other cases within the DCS, and that we think that they can be attributed to the fact that throughout the processes where we have been engaging with steering committees from within the DCS and the SAPS, they have not been able to ensure that the decisions that are taken at that level are actually implemented at the lower levels. So we have had many incidents where members would call us complaining that within their stations they have been subjected to unfair treatment by station commanders. That includes, of course, being refused to quarantine, and of course in instances where there had been members who are found to be positive, they would only intimidate the actual offices and leave out the rest of the buildings. So members as well have been threatened will live without pay. So that condition has obviously generated a lot of fear, and some members have been forced to come back to work before they could even heal. So these are some of the challenges we've been facing within the criminal justice cluster in its entirety.
Could you give us a scope of basically how many such police officers are believed to have continued with this kind of conduct?
Look, we get different reports on a daily basis from different provinces, but I think we had obviously a special NEC yesterday where we deliberated around these matters, and there have been measures that have been implemented in some instances in ensuring that we deal with this matter. However, I think the main concern has been that we have been raising these matters within the steering committees, and we have not seen any action taken. However, Popcru has decided on its own that there will be legal measures taken against those who would obviously be seen to be in the wrong in this regard.
What you're also proposing is a rotational work system, I understand. Talk to us a bit about that, and have you contacted both of these departments to present this particular rotational system to the various departments?
The issue around overcrowding and understaffing has been there even before the COVID-19 pandemic within our sectors, especially within the DCS. So in these circumstances, you don't remember who have been infected, as the numbers show. So you would need to obviously have a system that would ensure that at every level there are members who are obviously at work, despite the fact that the numbers have obviously been increasing. So we think that what this would ensure is that members are given sufficient time to ensure that those who are quarantined or those who have been found to be positive get time to recover, the work continues.
Richard Mamabolo, a Popcru National spokesperson, thank you very much indeed for your time this evening.